5. Ito, mabilis lang to guys. West.
West side. South.
West.
East.
Is correct, Christian.
East na.
South daw. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Okay, guys, for today's video, guys, opposite challenge.
Yeah!
Yung makakasagot, guys, kakain ng burger
Tsaka
with hot dog, tapos
fries.
fries.
Yes!
Okay, guys, kung sino yung una makakasagot, kung sino yung makakasagot, siya yung kakain.
Yes!
Okay, syempre, shoutout muna sa ating mga viewers.
Shout out, guys!
Okay, kasama natin ngayon si Christian.
Yes!
Sa araw, Christian. Sa gabi, Christina.
Yes!
Sa ngayon, Christina. Si Christian. Okay.
Charot!
Game. Ready na ba kayo?
Ready!
Okay. Above.
Down.
No? Above. Pawalan
Be down.
makasagot.
Up. Magkaparehas.
Above.
Below. Under.
Below is correct.
Ano daw? Below.
5 seconds.
Below? Below?
1,
No.
2,
Dami.
3,
Bagay isang ano.
4, 5. Okay? Game.
Oh, tignan mo, isang subuan lang. Isang subuan lang ni Christian.
Absent
Present!
is correct. 1,
Woo!
2,
Absent, present.
3, 4, 5. Okay? Game. Accept.
Reject.
No.
Ay, hindi.
Accept.
Next line.
Ha?
Next line.
Wrong.
Accept.
Accept.
Ignore.
Ha? No.
Accept. Unfriend. Ano yan? Accept.
Accept.
Accept. Accept. Unaccepted.
No.
Unaccept. Unaccept. Not accepted.
No.
Natanggap kita.
Accept.
Ano nakalimutan ko? Rejected.
Mama, let's go, Mama.
Accept. Ano na? Black. Mo alam. Black.
No.
Alam mo eh. Accepted. Unaccepted.
Nagsisimula sa letter R.
Reject.
Wrong.
Rejected.
Hindi.
Revive.
Wrong.
Revoke. Refuse.
Is correct, Mama. Yes. Yes. 1,
Yan?
2,
Refuse? Paano
3,
refuse?
4, 5.
Nilalaan ko nga lang yun eh.
Game. Alive.
Dead. Died.
Ha?
Died. Dead. Died.
That is correct. 1,
Dead.
2, 3,
Oo, dead.
4, 5. Okay? As.
As. Tanong?
As.
Magtatanong ka.
Sa tanong. Oo. As. Go.
Don't ask.
Wrong.
Tanong. Ano? Ask daw tayo.
As. A-S-K.
As in tatanong. Ay, ask. Shy. A-S-K. Answer. Daw.
Game. Walang clue.
Clue.
Ikaw, mama?
Unang letra.
R.
R na naman.
Ano, nabubuhay ka lang sa clue?
Reject.
Wrong.
Revoke.
Axe nga eh, axe.
As.
Axe.
Reject. Revive.
Wrong.
Refuse.
Wrong.
Isasagot ko yun.
5 seconds.
Remind. Recall.
Next question na tayo. 1,
Remind.
2,
Recall.
3,
Alam mo Recall.
4, 5. Respan.
Ay!
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Nag-aaral. Oh my gosh.
Game. Awake.
Sleep.
Awake.
Asleep. Awake.
Ha?
Asleep.
Is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Awake.
5. Up. Sumubo pa ha. Beginning.
Ending. Ending.
Christian is correct.
Aba, end lang?
1,
lang. Ending yon.
2,
The end.
3,
Ikaw po muna.
4, 5. Okay? Ito basic lang tumama. Jack, sasagutin mo to. Black.
White.
Oh, happy ko na. 1,
Black and rice.
2,
Black
3,
Black as in color.
4,
White.
5. Okay? Build.
Broke. Destroyed.
Ah?
Destroyed.
Is correct, Christian.
Nagbibuild ako.
1,
Siguro black ito na lang.
2,
Nagawa kong bakal.
3,
Sure pa talaga siya ng...
4, 5. Okay? Clean.
Dirty!
Mama. 1, mama. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ako ubusin ba?
Come.
Home! Ay! Not! Ay!
Come.
Back! Back! Ignore! Come back! Back?
Come.
Back nga eh! No. Come home.
Let's go, guys.
home? Game!
No?
Oo nga, come.
Come, come.
Come! Missing! Diba? Halika, diba?
No?
Missing. Halika. Missing!
Come.
Tara. Ano ba yan?
5 seconds.
Tara. Come.
1,
Don't look back.
2,
Come back! Go away! Back!
3.
Go! Go out!
Is correct, mama. Go.
Come and go! Come
Game.
and go!
1, mama.
So,
2,
si Mama!
3, 4, 5. Mama, pati mo pa inubos yung tinapay.
Hindi naman mo yung price.
Light
Dark!
is correct, Ana.
Kala ko light.
1,
Ito naman yung kasi yung price natin. Ay, yung ano.
2,
Para man mo dito. Aray mo.
3, 4, 5. Okay?
Hindi, ito ko pala man mo dito.
Game. Late
Present. Hindi, anong late? Early.
is correct, Ana.
Ayan!
Is correct, Ana.
Meron pa.
1, 2,
Early.
3, 4, 5. Ito, mabilis lang to, guys. West.
West side. South.
West.
East.
Is correct, Christian. South daw.
East correct.
1,
East correct. Oo.
2,
Ano ba West? West? South? Ay, hindi.
3,
Sa is yung west.
East.
Sa
Four.
east, eh.
5. Okay? Meron pa ba? Oh, marami pa. Empty
Full!
is correct, Christian. Okay?
Ba't ang galing mo ngayon
Si Christian!
Siguro
Ba nakita niya sa cellphone mo?
No. 1,
Then nag-search.
2,
Kasi sabi, opposite.
Sa daya.
3,
Ay!
4, 5. Okay? So, ilan na lang to?
5.
Isa na lang yata to. Isa na lang, guys. Expensive
Broke! Cheap!
is correct, Christian. Cheap. 1,
Christian,
2,
Parang fries. Burger ka naman.
Ayaw niya na lang.
3, 4, 5. Okay, so wala na tayo. Tapos na. Yes. Okay, guys. Tapos na. Wala na. Tapos na. Sino ang nakaraming kain?
Si Christian.
Christian.
Hindi sa
Okay, so Christian, congratulations. Ikaw ang maraming nakain ng price and burger. Okay, guys. Thank you so much sa panonood. Siyempre, shoutout kay Ninay.
Shout out, Ninay!
At siyempre, guys, shoutout kay Mr. Hawaii.
Shout out, Mr. Hawaii!
Okay, guys. Thank you so much sa panonood. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, share, comment, and
Subscribe!
see you next vlog.
Bye-bye! Subscribe!